Hi, in this lesson we will illuminate the front and rear lights of the car that we will use in the night rendering. We will make this using emissive material and IS lights. First, let's talk about the V-Ray settings. Set the background value 0.1 and V-Ray sun is turned off. Add emissive from the material section and rename it. Hide the glass part and apply the emissive material to the light bulbs. The other one will be affected because they are components. Set the intensity to 10. Start the interactive render. As you can see, headlights are illuminated. You can increase this value. It will change according to the physical camera settings. I will add IS light for more light. You can add the IS light from here by clicking. It will be added here. I rotated the down with rotate tool. I activate intensity and make the color slightly yellowish. Set the intensity value 10,000. You will see the result from the frame buffer. When the value is 100,000, the result is better. I'm gonna copy the lights to other side. The next one is the tailing lights. To do that, I'm gonna use emissive material again. If you remember the warehouse car lesson, I mentioned it. Let's move this 50 centimeters backwards. Select the tailing material and add an emissive layer. First, copy the diffuse slot and click on plus icon, choose emissive. I am adding this by selecting right-click, choose paste in place, but UV maps are gone. You can fix this with Ctrl Z. This process only concerns Sketchup, not V-Ray. Set the intensity value to 10. It will shine a little more. Well, the tailing lights looks a little pink. Decrease the value to 5 and move back the glass. I want to make this glass a little more red. Inside the refraction channel, set the fog color red and give a value 1. If you increase the value, red will be much dominated. There is another method. You can decrease the contrast inside the material. You can do this with custom gamma curve options. At the bottom, I have the fog lights. You can do this with the same method. Again, I'm gonna add emissive layer. You can back the UV position with Ctrl Z. You can add light to the license plate. I gave it up. Let's add one on the tailgate. I'm gonna stop the interactive render because it slowed down my laptop. I moved the object out of the group with paste in place method. Converted the mesh light and restart interactive render. Select the color a little more yellowish and uncheck the reflection. You can use this method to simulate cars for night rendering. By the way, I'm so sorry I forgot to tell you about the lens effects. Stop the interactive render and activate the denoiser. And I choose NVIDIA AI denoiser. This will make noise clean a bit faster. If you open bloom and glare, effect will appear. By looking at my settings, you can reach the same result. If you lower the intensity value, the effect will be reduced. Very fun effect. If your computer slows down, you can use the region render for small area. My graphic card is GTX 1080. If your card better than mine, for example 1080 Ti or RTX, this process will be much faster. See you next lesson.